don't know why Auntie not go so far down the river.
It's okay, see? Boys will be boys. They have to explore.
Sister, my best friend, my G, I'm a charging. Me now, go sell you out in your body. Go best friend, that's my best friend. Go best friend.
Good day, guys. Good day. Okay, so today, well, happy Easter Monday. Today's Monday, and well, I'm waiting for my friends and waiting for Roxy to finish pack. We're going to the river today. Yeah, we're going to the river. I know I promised you guys that I was gonna upload my school project, but I haven't gotten back the school project yet. But anyway, today we are going to the river, and so yeah, I'm gonna show you a bit of the river. I don't know if I'm gonna do a long vlog, maybe 10 minutes or anything like that, because I'll be enjoying myself, but I still want to show you guys a bit of it. So I'm gonna show you guys us at the river and maybe some river scenery shots while we're heading there to the river. But yeah, so happy Easter Monday and everything, and you guys will be seeing this vlog on Tuesday. As you guys know, I've been uploading or Multiverse on Friday, but because I have other stuff that I want to put up, you guys will be seeing this vlog on Tuesday. With all that said, yeah, so let's head on the road.
I don't know why Auntie not go so far down the river.
It's okay, see? Boys will be boys. They have to explore.